Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'll be going over how to add B-roll in video editing in Pictory. So let's get started. B-roll adds depth by overlaying secondary visuals, enhancing tension, emphasizing points, and providing context. So step 1. Transcribe your video for customization. Proceed to edit video using text and upload your video from YouTube or your device. Refine your script. Eliminate filler words and fine-tune your content. Step 2. Tap on Customize Video and move to the storyboard. Select a scene and go to Visuals on the left panel. Search our Visuals library using keywords for the perfect B-roll visual. You can also explore textures for creative alternatives. Have your visuals? Upload them under My Uploads for a personal touch. Click on the chosen visual to apply it. Watch as it enriches your scene with depth and impact. That's it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you out and see you in the next video.